So this week we've switched things up a little bit. Instead of me filming everything this week, it's going to be her. And then I'm going to be doing some of the cooking duties.
So we decided to switch it up a bit because I always do the cooking and he always does the vlog for obvious reasons. Chef, film school student. So we decided to challenge each other, and I decided to challenge Justin to make our lunches for this week. One dinner and one thing that's out of his comfort zone, which is to cook all of that all at the same time, because I usually cook 3 things at the same time, and it's kind of like time management, and I wanted him to see what it feels like to be me, just for one day.
And then my challenge for her, other than filming and editing the whole thing together, which is enough work as it is right there, she also has to do some sort of cinematic sequence, like how I kind of always try to include into a video. So
We'll see how it goes.
this is a Nicole video.
Boom.
Ja, är ni bra till er?
What's up, everybody? It's mail time. Since it's my turn to do the vlog this week, I'm opening the mail. What? Ready. All right. I've been waiting for this package for a while now, and it's very small, considering that I know what's in it. So let's see how this works out. Oh, they're so little! Oh, they're so little! They're little lights. I don't think they come with batteries. Oh yeah, you need batteries. But they're very little. This is not what I was expecting. Definitely from China. We were hoping to put it in the car, so we'll see what Justin thinks. So let's go find out.
Yeah, I think they look good. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell because it's daytime still, but I think it'll look good. Like once it gets dark out and stuff. It's nice. I like it.
Great.
So we decided to go to West Wind Pass today. But unfortunately, the weather was so we decided to skip on West Wind Pass and come to Grassy Lakes. Vlogging is hard. Cinematic footage is hard. Yeah. Immediately regretting this.
Why, hello there. So tonight I am cooking my first meal of the week, and we're doing chicken parmesan. Or if you got friends that are vegans or allergic to everything on planet Earth, you can do eggplant. Yeah, like how do I cut it? Is there like a core or something? Here goes nothing. According to Nicole, because I have no idea what I'm doing, I'm putting the eggplant in this strainer and coating it in some salt to extract the moisture out of it. So we're already taking a break from the Parmesan because, you know, hard work. And we're making chili because I have to make what I like to call bullshit soups. Because Nicole can take basically anything, it can be the most randomest ingredients in the kitchen, and make a delicious soup. I call it bullshit soup because she makes it out of bullshit, out of nothing. So, I gotta make some chili.
So Justin and I are both out of our element, and I'm bored, Justin's bored, he'd rather be filming, I'd rather be cooking. We only have one solution.
I'm stressing out on trying to cook 2 meals at once here, so I need this.
Cheers.
It's burning hard. That's your own fault for filming, okay? You distracted me. Alright, so now we're going back to the chicken parmesan. We've already filleted the chicken, and now you're going to want to hammer it out like you're trying to get a home run in Little League Baseball. So, let's get her done. I've never used a pan to bash chicken parma before, so this is going to be interesting. expecting that to happen. You're good. So when it comes to breading the Parmesan, you're wanting to do your eggplant first so you don't kill your vegan friends with all the chicken juice. So the chili is simmering on the stove. We're done the eggplant parm. Time to move on to the real stuff, the chicken stuff. Let's bread it. Okay, so Nicole has left me to do some editing because she's behind on her editing. And she's left all the rest of the cooking for me to do and filming. That's why I'm filming. So I gotta do all this stuff by myself now, and hopefully I don't screw it up. So just to recap you, we have prepared all of our chicken and eggplant parmesan to be fried. And we've got our chili back there simmering away, getting all delicious and stuff. And now we are gonna make our own tomato sauce for the chicken and eggplant parmesan. So let's get to it, shall we? We're gonna make our tomato sauces. We're actually gonna grate these tomatoes and we're gonna put them in this pot because we live in Staffacom and have no mixing bowls. So here we go. Okay, well that is cooking down and getting all flavorful and stuff. I'm gonna do some research on how to cook this eggplant so I don't screw it up. Who decided to come and help?
Are you still asleep?
We all thought you were sleeping. We're like, okay, we're all getting Wendy's.
No faith.
Dinner, sir?
Alright, so we just had Justin's dinner, which was amazing. But let's find out who else liked it.
I would give Justin's dinner a rating of 10 out of 8 points because it was very yummy and I'm very proud of Justin, and he should do it again every night, every day. It was amazing!
Thank you, Jonas.
So, You didn't think I was gonna do this vlog by myself, did you? Because that would have ended horribly. Oh my god, I can only imagine. So, I'm gonna ask for help. Hope he comes.
Oh no.
Can you help me make the vlog? Let's go, boys. Just wanted to thank Jonas for helping me out, being patient with me, and not yelling at me as often. Really appreciate it, buddy. So since it's a Nicole vlog, but it's still kind of Justin's vlog, and he always goes snowboarding at the end of every video, I thought, why don't I go snowboarding? Cue the footage. It's done. I'm finally done the vlog. I'm so happy with it. And I just can't wait to show Justin. Let's go see what he thinks.
So this week we've switched things up a little bit.
Nice. Fancy.
Hope he comes. Let's go, boys.
Oh, poor Jonas.
Just one.
Pretty good. I'm pretty impressed.